Meet Daryl. Daryl is a special needs student from our high school who had a major problem with the multisensory technology that was being used in our room. So multisensory rooms are used to raise or lower the agitation of a student in order to put them in the exact right mood for learning. They're also used to take them out of outside stimuli, as well as reduce anxiety. Students like Daryl felt these rooms were too boring and that they're being left behind on the technology curve just because they're special need. The major problem with these rooms is they're $50,000 to $100,000, which is way too expensive, and that's not including the actual room in the facility they take up. As well, they're very generic, and for a broad range of special needs, there's only one room for every kid, which just doesn't work. These rooms are also super outdated, and no technology has been updated within them in the last 15 or 20 years. We're fixing this with virtual reality. With virtual reality, we can reduce the price to under $10,000, as well as provide a more immersive experience. So instead of looking at a photo of a waterfall on the wall, we can put the student beside the waterfall and have them interact with it. We're also much more customizable, and we allow the student to change the game how they want it, per special need and per student. Also, for students in wheelchairs, they have a really hard time using the multisensory room because of the reach, but for our game, we can identify they're using a wheelchair and bring everything close to them so that everyone has accessibility to our products. Now Daryl can finally get the multisensory treatment he needs, and he doesn't feel like he's being left out of technology just because of his special need. So we have 6 finished products. This one's called Glass Lab. It's used to reduce stress by letting the student break glass with absolutely no cleanup. As well, we have Canvas 3D, which is another game used for the student to express creativity by drawing. This game is very easy to use. One click to be able to change color in one hand, one click to be able to draw in the other hand. As simple as it can be. So our market we're starting with is schools, and we're working towards public schools, which is at an average cost around $10,000, is a $1.5 billion industry in North America. As well, for private schools, an additional $360 million. So before schools, we need to work with child treatment centers. So child treatment centers like Kids Ability, as well as Sick Kids, allow us to get doctor validation for our products. Once we have doctor validation for our products, we can then prove that it does work better, or if as good as the snooze room or the multisensory room, and we can push our products into private schools. So we've been in talks with Applewood Academy, as well as Shore Academics, which are private schools in the area. My name is William Coster. I'm the CEO, and I've been working on making virtual reality games for around 3 years. This is my co-founder, Colin Taher. We are SpecialVR, and we're empowering students with special needs through virtual reality.